Hey guys, so for today's episode, we have our buddy Kyle's G37XS, and it's getting wrapped. Stay tuned. Yep, so Nick is just cleaning the car real quick. We're just sort of skipping through some of the boring parts and looking nice and clean. We're gonna put it up on the lift back here and take the bumper off. Get it all prepped up.
A few moments later.
Bam! And so we've got the car all cleaned up and the bumper off. We got it over here and we've got our wrap. So I'm going to show you what we've got. We've got some Avery going on, carbon fiber, and this is like a Nardo gray. It is a gloss. We'll show it. Well, we're going to be wrapping it, but this is a gloss gray stone. And the major difference you can see is that it doesn't have the metallic going on. It's gonna basically look like a toy car. It'll be really sweet, but we're gonna be doing a chrome delete. They need to stop putting those on cars. And yeah, the gray. Yep, so we're gonna go ahead, put that on, and I'll show you as we go. With this off, Ryan is going to go ahead and sand this down and then re-clear it, and it's going to look great. Wow, what? That is, what? That's not the same one. You bought a new one.
Nope.
Wow.
Sanded it down and re-cleared it.
Yo, that is like pristine. Okay.
Compared to what it was.
So we can, you know, we can do up the carbon fiber, and Ryan also brought this back. All sanded up. You can see it's super smooth now. And so we can do this at the shop too. This allows us to wrap over it and make sure that, you know, no blemishes show. So, awesome work. Woo! Yeah. Very cool. All right, back to the wrap. So that is wrapping a car at Mills Garage Customs. And if you made it this far, you liked the video. So make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure to subscribe, share with all your friends. There's so much more coming up. So now, I'm gonna show you some pans of the car. And we're super excited because Kyle is gonna be going with us to car shows to hang out. So, with that said, the pans. This thing came in here with some paint issues and clearly can't tell anything now. Also, the gaps here, it's amazing now. Decided to go with the carbon fiber accent right here to match the rest of the accents on the car. This is just beautiful. Solved all those gap issues too. Wow. This is a brand new car at this point. Follow him. You can see we also went with a carbon fiber accent on the door to match all the other real carbon fiber that's on here, and the chrome delete with the carbon fiber. And you have to see this. This is just Nick is a wizard. And to top it all off, Ryan, wow. These are damn near brand new at this point. That's insane. I'll even show the other one because this is just too good. Wow. So clearly, we can redo carbon fiber and everything too, make it look really, really nice. And like I said, Kyle's gonna be coming with us to car shows, and I can pretty much guarantee this is going to qualify. So we can get your car to qualify to come with us. Do. Yeah. This is sweet. Yeah, we're gonna get a decal for him too. Yeah. How you doing, boss? Awesome. You, Kyle himself, so. Yep. You. This is gonna be fun. Very cool. Lots more coming up, guys.
Mills Garage. Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, and share the video. We'll see you next time. Mills Garage.
Just a little bit better. Of course, we're gonna be fixing that. Wow, that is absolutely amazing. They do either. They got a Mustang or something back there. All right. Woo. Yup. We got a Heather and a Tyler.
Yo.
You guys are awesome. Yay.
You're awesome.
And a Nick, of course. Woo. Do.
Like and subscribe, Mills Garage. What's up?
Woo.